guys, it's Ray here from RWilco12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today to show you guys how to change the batteries in your 2019 Nvidia Shield Android TV remote control. It may seem pretty straightforward. Battery changing isn't something that shouldn't be too difficult to do. However, I did have a friend ask me how to do this, and I personally had a hard time getting into this thing, so I figured I'd show you guys the method I found that worked best for me. So as far as changing this thing goes, you have your front with all the buttons, and then you have your back, and that's the triangular piece here. What you want to look for is you want to look for that little triangle right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your fingernails and you're going to push them down on this part here, and then you're going to grip the rest of it and you're going to pull down, and it is super tight. And eventually you'll get it there. Once you get it, keep pushing and eventually it'll slide right off. You got two AAA batteries here. You can just grab those, pop them out, and then put the new ones in. Do that on both sides. When you're all done, take your shield, you're going to slide that in, and you want to make sure that the little notches that are in the inside here line up with the grooves right there. Push it in, and then push it down, and snap it on, and be prepared to have a hard time getting it off the next time you need to change the batteries. We'll have links in the video description down below where you can check out some more videos on the Nvidia Shield Android TV. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.